Good morning. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, and in math, we're going to still work with composing and decomposing numbers in our teens. It's going to be a shorter lesson today, so I'm going to get our paper loaded and we will work on it together. All right, our worksheet today says, write and draw the number, use your hide zero cards to help you. Now, we don't have any hide zero cards, but that's okay. We can still make this work. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you see in front of you, you have two sets of 10 frames, and there are numbers under each one. We're just going to take a look at the first one right here. Looks like we have 10 and 2. So I'm going to have you take your pencils, and you're going to, or even crayon would work, and you're going to fill in those 10 frames. So the first one says that we need to fill in 10. So go ahead and put 10 dots in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 2 more. So take your crayons, and in the next 10 frame, you say 1, 2. And I'm going to show you a little trick. When you have 10 and 2 more, that's going to make a new number. What number is it going to make? We'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can go ahead and write the number 1 and 2. So it's just showing you that when you have 10 dots on a 10 frame and 2 dots on another 10 frame and you put them together, you know that when we put together, that means you add, you have the number 12. Well, like I said, we don't have any hide zero cards, but I want to show you another trick. When you look over at your 10, let me erase our highlights there. When you look over at 10, if you take out that 0 in the 10, you just cross it out, you're left with one number by itself. What number is that? 1, which you put over here. And over here, there aren't any zeros, so you just write the number you see, 2. And you can see we wrote a 1 in it too. So all they did was hide that 0 to write the number. We're going to practice that on the next one. If it doesn't make sense, we're going to do a few more. Hopefully you'll get it by then. So I want you to look at the next numbers you see. 10 and 7. So before we do anything, I want you to go in and we're going to put our counters on the 10 frame. Draw them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, you put 10 in that 10 frame. And the next number was 7. So you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this time we're going to do our hide 0 trick. So I need you to go over to the 10 and cross out the 0. And now you can write the number. You see 1 and 7. So your new number is 17. Let's count our dots on our 10 frame just to make sure. Let's do a double count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Good. We did it right. Let's look down at the next one. I want you to look at your numbers. Ooh, I need my pen. You see a 10 and a 9. So before you do anything, you're going to go in and put your counters in. Let's put our 10 counters in first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, good. I got all of my counters into the 10 frames. Now we're going to do our hide 0 trick. So you're going to cross out that 0 and look to see what numbers you still see. See a 1 and a 9. What's our number? 19. So I want you to count to make sure that you have 19 in your 10 frames, just to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Perfect. Perfect. All right. We're going to go on to the next one. I want you to look at your numbers. So on the last one, we need to go ahead and we need to look at our two numbers, 10 and 4. So you're going to go and put your counters in. Put our 10 in first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to do our hide 0 trick. Cross that 0 right out. And what two numbers do you see? You should see a 1 and a 4. And what's that number? 14. All right, so we need to count. Ready? Double check that we have 14 all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And you're done. That's all you have to do today. It's a shorter lesson, but hopefully that was nice and easy for you. And we will do more with this tomorrow. Have a good night.